Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. You can probably tell by the sound of my voice, I am sick. I caught COVID. So this is the first day that I'm actually feeling kind of okay. One of the most common symptoms of COVID is the loss of taste and smell. Not everybody gets it, but a lot of people do. And unfortunately, I just got it yesterday. I totally lost my sense of taste and smell. Like, I can't smell anything. It's really weird losing one of the senses that I'm used to having. Like when I drink something or eat something, my body, my brain expects to taste a flavor and it's just gone. I wish that this wasn't one of the symptoms that I got because I love to cook and I love trying different foods and stuff. And now it's like, how long is this gonna last? Apparently it can last up to 6 months or even just never come back for a very small percentage of people. So I figured I'd do a Bertie Botts every flavor beans taste test, and I'm gonna taste all the nasty flavors and see if anything can stimulate my flavor senses, my taste buds. But before we get into the COVID taste test of Bertie Botts, I'm gonna announce my 80K giveaway. So at the 70K giveaway, I had a huge giveaway. So now at 80K, I'm gonna do another one. I'll do one at 90 and I'll do one at 100 too. And I already know what I'm doing for my 100K giveaway, and you guys are gonna poop your pants. But I'll save that for another time. So for 80K, I have 2 boxes here. This one right here is full of the Wizarding Trunk book covers that I designed for them. So this is the full set. And this box right here is the full set of first edition Harry Potter hardbacks. So these books are what these covers will fit. So the 80K giveaway is for the full set of first edition American hardback Harry Potter books, along with the full first 7 Wizarding Trunk book covers. And we're already at 77K, so we only have 3K to go. I feel like we're gonna be giving these away pretty soon. So if you wanna join, definitely make sure you click that link and join. You can have 1 entry per day. So go over there. If you wanna win these, set like an alarm on your phone or something to remind you to enter the giveaway once a day, because the more entries you get, the more likely it is that you will win. So I got myself some Bertie Botts every flavor beans, and I also went ahead and grabbed myself a couple of chocolate frogs, mainly for the cards, because I'm not gonna taste the chocolate. I have a little box to spit in if by some like miracle I can taste any of this. I've got 2 bags. I'm only gonna open one right now. I'll save the other one for hopefully when my taste comes back. So it's just, you know, little, kind of like a single serving bag of Bertie Botts. We've got the front and the back, and this tells you what all the flavors are, including the nasty ones. So I'm kind of excited. I want to see if anything happens. Let's do black pepper first. So this is apparently black pepper. Maybe I'll be able to taste this one, and maybe it'll help my throat a little bit. Like, you know, I don't know. Spicy stuff kind of helps with sore throats from what I hear. Let's give it a try. My tongue tingles a little bit, but my throat kind of, like I can tell it's spicy. I can feel the spiciness on my tongue and my throat. I taste nothing. This is gonna be uneventful. Let's try booger. Yep, that looks like a booger right there. Let's go for it. Nope. I don't taste it. This is like payback of 2 Bertie Botts every flavor beans for that last video I posted a couple years ago where I did like Bean Boozled and Bertie Botts taste comparison, and I got all the nasty flavors. I can just pop these now and yeah, in your face, Bertie Botts. I'm going for dirt. Yeah, let's do dirt. Earthworm. There's an earthworm. We got dirt and earthworm at the same time. It's kind of like a good flavor combination, I guess. 0, nothing. I remember the last time, the worst ones that I tasted was rotten egg and vomit. So I'm going to save those for last. What's left? We've got earwax. There's soap, but that just tastes like toothpaste. Last time, I'm pretty sure rotten, I'd have to go back and watch the video, but I think that rotten egg was my, like, the worst one. So I'm gonna do vomit first. There it is. It just looks like a little orange jelly bean with red specks. Why am I nervous? I know I can't taste this. Nothing. Seriously, nothing. I could eat a handful of those right now. And now we've got rotten egg. I went through these super fast. I thought I was at least gonna taste something. I hope this video wasn't boring. At the very least, it's informative. For a second there, I thought I had a hint of something, but no. It's like I can tell there's something there, but it's just so fleeting. It's just not there. I mean, at this point, there's no point. I'm not gonna eat any more of these. I can't taste any of them, and I ate one of every single one of those little, like I could eat rotten egg all day. So let's do something a little bit more fun and at least see what chocolate frog cards we got. Oop, there's the chocolate frog. Should I even eat it? It's a waste. I mean, it would be a waste if I didn't eat it, I guess, but. Ooh, look, I got Merlin. That's cool. And in chocolate frog number 2, we get, another chocolate frog, but Helga Hufflepuff. Hey, that's cool because I'm a Hufflepuff, so now I've got Helga Hufflepuff. I really like these cards. I wish they would do them in this style, like where the person moves when you move it, but do the actual shape of the chocolate frog card. That would be so nice. And look, she's holding the cup right there. Really cool. Anyways, guys, I guess that's it. So yeah, if you're interested in the 80K giveaway, the link's in the description box. Let me know what you thought about the taste test. I could feel some type of like sensations in my mouth, but like I could not taste a thing. So yeah, take that, Bertie Botts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.